Oh! Oh, I got a fish. I got a fish. Oh no, my neck is hooked. Look at this bass. I'll let him go. We can catch more over there. Oh. I'll let him go. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going kayak fishing with my wife. I think I didn't even get the chance to record my intro yet. And I have a big smallmouth bass hooked while I was trolling. It's a hard start. It is pretty windy today, but my game plan is to go over that shallow grass bay. I heard lots of bass and pikes are there. Oh, you can see those teeth-shaped graph on my fish finder. I think it's the waves pushing my kayak up and down. Yeah, those are heavy waves. Oh hey, is it okay if we pass through? Okay, thanks. Oh, I got one. I got a fish. It's a pike. Oh. He jumped off. Yeah, I was just getting headache trying to think about how to handle a pike. I'm actually kind of happy he jumped off. Oh! Do you need help? No. Okay, I'll come over. Oh, nice bass. I think I don't even need my fish finder. Yeah, we can just walk along the shoreline. Oh, I got one. I think it's big. He's pretty small. He's pretty small. I'm gonna let him go. I got another one. Oh. I think it's also fast. Do you want to take a look? Okay, I'll let him go. Oh! I think it's also fast. I think it's pretty big. Wait, let me get the net. Oh. Oh, do you want to take a look?
So big.
Yeah.
I want it.
It's alright, I'll catch another one. Okay, I'm gonna let him go. Oh! Oh, my rod! No! I almost lost my rod. I think my shallow crankbait is performing too well. Now it's in my wife's hand. Oh, you got one? Oh. I got it. I got it. Oh, that was gone. Smallmouth. Oh, it's a nice one. I'm not sure it's big mouth or small mouth. You wanna hold him?
I'm scared.
Okay, you can hold the next one. You can just grab by the mouth.
Oh.
I didn't know that before. Yeah, it's not like pike. Oh, I got one. He jumped off. Oh no. I got one. Oh my god, he jumped off. I'm not sure. Oh, I got one. You wanna take a look? I think he's still a baby.
Oh.
I'll let him go.
Let him go.
Okay. Well, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to click subscribe if you like this video. I'll be posting every Friday afternoon. I'll see you guys on the water.